Hi, and welcome back to yet another episode in Robin School of Traders. Today, we will learn and unleash the power of Ichimoku Cloud. This is one of the best indicators I have gone through across. But if you see at the first stage, when you look at the indicator, it's very, very complex. So, people have made it very, very complex so that they can use it. I'm talking about the big shot players. It is one of the easiest indicator in terms of formulas and in terms of use. So let's get started in Robin School of Traders. So what is an Ichimoku cloud? Ichimoku actually, as a trader, what we look? We look for few things. First, we look for support. We look for resistance. We look for momentum. We look for trend direction. Guys, all these three, one, two, three, four, all these four main indicators are inbuilt within it. Yes, you heard it right. All these four, support, resistance, momentum, and trend directions, are within inbuilt. This was basically developed by a journalist in 1930 named Goichi Hosoda. I hope I pronounced it right. It belongs to a Japanese community. All the names are in terms of Japanese terminology. Uh, for the first time, I'll not go to the formula directly. I'll go to the use of the indicator and then come to the formula, and you will enjoy it. Now, look, if you look at this chart on the first, it will give you the impression that's very, very complex. Let's see the chart at first. Oh dear. If you look at this chart, you will say, what is this? Five lines crossing across, making doesn't make sense. Now, if you come to the last slide and look at this, then you say it makes a sense. So what has happened? Every line has its own significance and in its own way of usage. All the videos which have been gone through YouTube, they are making very, very complex. And we'll try to simplify here and use each indicator based on its appetite. First thing we'll use is this is or used in, it can be used in any time frame. So it can be used in 15 minutes or use the higher dollar also. See, with the naked eyes, you can see that we can make money in USD and INR, right? Number one. It can be given, it can give a potential trend breakout. If you see Reliance trend breakout, it gives trend breakout from here. Lovely breakout. Now you will say, what is the trend breakout? What are these blue lines and the so-called red lines? I'll take to it. Believe me, guys, the blue line or red lines are much more easier than your MACD and RSI. Now, if you look at Tata Motors, if you see there's a potential breakout from here. As I was saying in previous classes, buy Tata Motors somewhere between 951 and sell somewhere between in 1,000 rupees. 1,010, it didn't go. It fizzled out. And this is the range we're looking at, and lot size of 550. You can do in cash, future, whatever you want. So this call we given, this call was suchly absolutely picked up by this indicator. Now we could do the same thing. Now we slowly and suddenly we're improvising the indicator. If you do the same thing in Tata Motors, you can find there is an EMA crossover and this, and then we could support resistance over here. So this now will act as a resistance. Now let us see what the indicator says, then we'll understand. So what I was trying to show you, this indicator works in trending markets. See, it gave a potential breakout Reliance, number one. It gave us some sort of support resistance in Nifty, Bank Nifty. This can be used in scalping also. Yes, you heard it right. If we use the two lines called Tenkan Sen and Kijun Sen, rather conversion line and baseline, these two lines can be used as a scalping. Yes, you're right. I did it in scalping and pulled money. If you improvise this indicator and simply put MACD and remove all this line and take simply the cloud. So simply the cloud, with a simple cloud and MACD, you can see you can easily make money. So this cloud will give us a suppose, this will give us a suppose over can buy till here, and your support is over here. Same, this is a Nifty. Same thing we did in, now if you improvise this much more, now you simply add an Heiken Ashi and RSI 50. Anything we know goes over RSI 50, the instrument is over this cloud, you simply buy it as per your appetite. And it does pretty well in scalping. It does absolutely well in scalping. Only one indicator, you don't have to draw support resistance lines. You use MACD or RSI, you do. Now, improvising more than this, now simply, I did nothing. I simply plotted the EMS, quick EMS, 5, 8, 13, 21. So from here, you can easily make out the peaks and the lows and support and resistance. So this is a wonderful use of the indicator called Ichimoku Cloud. So I can use it Ichimoku Cloud Now, to make it very simple, how does it look? It looks very, very clumsy. Oh, not that. Let us go to and see the formula. Ichimoku gloves at 5 line. The first line is Tenkan-san line, right? It is nothing but it takes the 9 period high, it takes the high of 9 periods and the low of 9 period divided by 2. So this will be giving you a 26 period line. The first line which you will get, this will be a lagging indicator which will give you the trend and will be lagging behind 26 periods. How it's defined, right? Right. And the next, now the next line is Kenjan-cell line. It's nothing but it will take a larger EMA. It will take 26 period high divided plus 26 period low by 2. So it is taking the mean. Some sort of Heiken-Ashi, but Heiken-Ashi is not directly dealing with number high low, giving a number of periods. So improvise on Heiken-Ashi. This is where our main things come. Shukons span or leading span A. Nothing. It will add this 2 by 2. Conversion line plus base line by 2. And it will plot it out 26 period ahead. And same line by Sukon span B. It's nothing but 52 periods. One is giving you some kind of 56 27 period, a leading indicator, and it is taking a lag. So you subtract this, then you get a simple cloud. So we'll be using this cloud for our intraday swing also. And this for scalping. This two for scalping. Now, looks very, very clumsy once. I will show you once again if I put all the indicators. Now, if you remove the indicator and take only the cloud and do research based on this, you simply plot this Heiken-Ashi and your cloud and RSI. So you can the data is sitting in your face. You can simply do the trade. You can do option pulling, hedging. From here to what 922, if it went to almost what 120, 130 points, 130 point in a delta of 0.6, so 72 points in one lot itself, in the lots of 15. So this is the power of a simple indicator. One indicator, you can use this in mobile or working in your jobs also, right? There's no need of seeing, open a laptop, take the option chain and all. So this is the one indicator. Improvising it more, you feel like I am very pro towards MACD, same indicator. You use it with MACD, simple crossover MACD and a simple crossover above the cloud. So this gives an indicator. This is a lovely indicator. You simply come here. This is there are 5 thumb rules. Now, if I go and explain the thumb rule, the video becomes very, very large. I'll make a series of video on Ichimoku Cloud. So in this series, I just showed you what is Ichimoku and why it has not been so popularized in our YouTube channels, in our share market also. No institution and no further big shot institution, they teach Ichimoku. It is one of the easiest indicator. The formula is so much more simple than EMA and MACD and RSI. So this is the power of this indicator. I really love this indicator. I'm using indicator for last 3-4 months. It gives me very good points of scalping. Yes, you heard it right. We just simply increase the number of lots of scalping, and you can use this indicator in different ways. You can use this for Bank Nifty. You can easily see over here. This is a choppy period. You need not need to trade. This is the downfall of the period. Simply dim the candle. You will see from here. Simply sort it, and this is your target. So you can easily find out the targets from here. You can easily find again from the target and resistance. So one indicator giving you 4 strong data points: support, resistance, momentum, and trend. What else you want? So that's the power of technical, and that is what we do in Robinhood School of Traders. Yes, you heard it right. I am saying we can earn minimum 3,000 rupees on daily basis with a capital of 60K only, and that too working in mobile only. Right. So I'm sure if you have loved, you must have enjoyed the video. If you have enjoyed the video, do subscribe to my channel. I'll be taking this series. This is Ichimoku series number 1. Bye. Thank you.